Go for main engine start. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Discovery. Combate Kudasai. Best of luck to the International Space Station's newest laboratory.
Discovery, roll program.
Roger, roll, Discovery. Houston now controlling the flight of Discovery, a man-made rising sun on behalf of Japan. Discovery on the proper alignment, heads down, wings level for the 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Space Station. Seconds into the flight, the 3 liquid fuel main engines now throttling back to 72% of rated performance, going in the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it goes supersonic. Discovery already 5 miles in altitude, 8.5 miles downrange, traveling almost 1,000 miles an hour.
Discovery Houston, go with throttle up.
Throttle up call acknowledged by Commander Mark Kelly, joined on the flight deck by pilot Ken Ham, flight engineer Ron Guerin, and mission specialist Karen Nyberg. Down on the middeck are Mike Fossum, Aki Hoshide, and Greg Shamatov, heading for a half year on the International Space Station. One minute 45 seconds into the flight. Discovery 22 miles in altitude, 23 miles downrange, standing by for solid rocket booster separation.
Copy staging.
Booster officer confirms staging, a good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging. The onboard computer steering the shuttle for the on-ramp to the highway for the International Space Station. Discovery 37 miles in altitude, 50 miles downrange, traveling 3,200 miles an hour. The orbital maneuvering system engines have ignited, providing Discovery with a burst of power for the next 2 minutes 15 seconds.
Roger, 2 engine morale.
That call from Mark Kelly, the first of a series of performance calls in the event of the loss of a main engine. However, all 3 main engines continue to perform normally, along with the auxiliary power units and the 3 power-producing fuel cells. Discovery flying on the singular power of its 3 liquid fuel main engines, draining 0.5 ton of fuel per second from the large fuel tank. Discovery 52 miles in altitude, 100 miles downrange, 3.5 minutes into the flight. We're coming up on the point of negative return, where the shuttle would be too far downrange, too high in altitude to return to the launch site in the event of an engine failure. All 3 main engines continue to function normally, however. 3 minutes 47 seconds into the flight. Discovery flying straight and true, speeding toward a date with the International Space Station on Monday.
Main engines, we're now essentially in space in a complete vacuum, and so that expansion behaves quite a bit differently than here on Earth, in our atmosphere.
And there you watch that separation, that wonderful, it's almost a ghostly image as the orbiter and the tank separate.
You'll see jets firing on the shuttle to move it away from the external tank, and then the shuttle will actually do a 180-degree flip onto its back, so you can see this external